You're a pro scooter rider?
Yeah.
Are you a fully trained ninja?
Yeah.
High five.
Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around, round, round, I get around.
Let's get the scoot on.
You want to get the scoot on?
Yeah. Get it, scoot on instead.
I-
Let's get the boom on.
Ha! Good joke. I like that
I'm
one.
gonna swing over to you
Okay.
and pull you with your dog.
Whoa, dude, good job. Doing the swinging rope one more time. One more. Are you ready, Hobie?
Yes,
No injuries.
I know.
Be safe.
I know.
Okay.
I'm looking for him.
How about we go read a few books in your bed, Charlie?
Okay.
Everybody tired in here?
Yeah.
It's raining outside, so for now we're stuck in the boat. The boys are eating breakfast and playing iPads. Let's see how LeeAnn's situation is. So this is where the magic happens, huh?
This is where we keep our hairbrushes and a mirror. And this is where our toothbrushes go. Towel that has narwhals and whales and octopuses on it. Put some little removable sticky hooks.
look at-
Inspirational pieces of paper. This is my little jewelry holder that my father-in-law got me.
What do you keep underneath the sink?
Well, toilet paper. And then nothing, because it's like an abyss down to the bilge. It dries your feet off right away. It's amazing.
So this is how they go to the bathroom in space, and that's how we do it on the boat.
Yeah, privacy.
Of course, it's very important.
Hand painted naked mermaid hook.
Pornographic.
It's beautiful.
I'm gonna have to put
It's
on
artwork.
YouTube explicit content in this
artwork.
video.
There's another naked mermaid hook holder over here too. That
Where?
We got. This was actually on our very first boat.
Mommy and Hobie going on a date?
Yeah. Gonna go to the art museum.
You don't have to.
I don't have to.
You're pretty without makeup.
Dangerous. Be careful climbing up.
Are you getting wet still?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Oh.
Whoa. Come outside.
Yeah.
Don't go past that rope, okay? Okay.
It's raining.
Is it raining? I don't know why it always happens this way, but the water only runs out when we're taking showers.
No one I think is in my tree. I mean, it must be high or low.
Fill it up with water. We have to fill a tank, about a tank a week. We have 2 tanks, 80 gallons each. So that's the starboard tank. So down here, and now we just kind of gotta wait for the tank to fill up a little bit, for the suction to build, and then she'll have hot water again.
They were sitting on the strawberry swing. Every moment was so precious. They were sitting, we were talking, the strawberry swing.
Okay, can Daddy have it back, please?
No.
I don't want you to drop it.
No, when we have it, they will rain.
Alright.
Who's recording this face?
The boys obviously.
But Daddy, look at.
Is it raining now?
Yeah.
Here, let me see the camera.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to check out the next one where LeeAnn gets a little honest and a little upset about the timing of this trip and the things that we're leaving behind. Click subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos, and if you want to find out how to become one of our best friends, sail on over to patreon.com/HoboSailor.